Ma'am, yung pong mga testimonya ng mga testigo po dito, no? Yung pong usapin ng kanilang seguridad. Kasi po malaking bagay yan, no? Yung lakas na loob ng mga testigo po dito kung sakasakali. Ang komite ho ba may poder din tungkol po sa pagbibigay sa kanila ng seguridad dito?
I think yes, Ted. As a matter of fact, we've done that before during the Quadcom investigations and even I think during the good government inquiry also, no? Na if there is a motion coming from the complainant at na-substantiate nila yung threat or danger which is posed to the life of the possible witness or the witness in this impeachment complaint, we will be acting on that motion in a way that we will be bringing to the custody of the witness, like for example in the case of Ramil Madriaga, from the BJMP to the HREP, but that is of course with the consent of the concerned agency, which is the BJMP.